So what we were seeing, so two things, operators. So what is operators? Output. So if I do this, what is the output? If I do the first statement, what is the output? Okay, clear? So now what happens here? The value will be integer only. Why? You specified explicitly integer numbers only. Here you specified explicitly a floating numbers. That's why it came to 4. Why? 3.0 3.0 by 2.0, 1.5. Right? So that's the reason it became 4. Whereas here it is 3. Clear? Now, and once again, we saw this as a implicit. What is that? Explicit, no? Is a explicit typecasting. And this is a why implicit? We are assigning a integer to float. Clear? This is the point you need to remember. So what happens if I do the same? Okay, I do this. Let us consider plus 1. You can't have 2 plus. Okay. So what happens if I remove this? Now, what is the answer? Now, what is the answer? I removed brackets. Now, what is the answer? 3 only. Right? 3 only, yeah? Sure. Okay. So it is 4 again. 4 of integer. Let's say the bracket makes magic. Okay? Let's say the brackets makes magic. So now when you say in bracket, what happened? It converted into integer. Whereas outside it converted into float. Okay, so you should be very careful when you apply brackets. What will happen? When we don't apply brackets, what will happen? Your calculations itself will go wrong. Clear? So that's very, very important.
If you want to bring that as 4.5, then
how it will come 4.5?
1.5 into 3.
1.5 into 3. That's what we did in 28th line number, right? That's what we did in 28th line number. That's it. Into 3 means you need to apply brackets. This one, 1.5 into 3. This you need to do because our BODMAS rule applies to this. Now it will become. I think one more close to 2. Yeah, now it will work out. I think. What happened? I don't think 2 you need. Yeah, now it is clear. Now it is clear. Good point. That one. Okay.